Hello everyone. At the sixth meeting of e-business strategy material courses, we will discuss supply and demand chains. This material is related to LO2 and LO3, that is, utilize digital business strategy and appraise digital marketing. The subtopic of this material is using digital business to restructure the supply chain. Supply chain management involves the coordination of all supply activities of an organization from supplier and delivery products to customer. In supply chain management have two supply chain activities, that is upstream supply chain activities and downstream supply chain activities. Upstream supply chain activities is a transaction between an organization, supplier, and intermediaries equivalent to buy-side e-commerce. Downstream supply chain activities is a transaction between an organization, customer, and intermediaries equivalent to sell-side e-commerce. There are four pillars from supply chain success by AGD 20 and 17, that is, the first is customer-centric. A good supply chain is serving customers by building upstream supply chain activities, with the upstream process to support the provision of services for customer. The second is powered by people. A good supply chain is utilizing people to add value by attracting, retaining, and retraining, which are the main element in the supply chain. The third is transformed by technology. Innovation and adopting technology help change supply chain transformation. Key areas include automation, synchronization, and transition to a data-driven environment. The last is resilient and responsive. One of the first steps in building a resilient and responsive supply chain is to pay attention to the risks and impact of risks from the microenvironment. So, it requires a careful plan. There are 5 positions in supply chain management. That is, the first is supplier. Suppliers are the parties who provide raw materials and others. The second is manufacturer. Manufacturer are the parties who doing the work, making, fabricating, assembling, converting to finishing goods. The third is distributor. Distributors are the parties who carry out business activities by buying goods from producers and reselling the goods directly to retail or customers. Goods from the factory will be sent from the producer warehouse to the distributor warehouse in the large quantities. The fourth is retail outlets. Retail outlets are the parties who offer goods directly to customer. The last is customer. Customers are the parties who use the goods or receive the goods. The following is an example of supply and demand case.